In this short video, I'll guide you through the best and most reliable ways to transfer your WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone without losing your chats, photos, or videos. Switching to a new iPhone is exciting, but losing your WhatsApp messages can be frustrating. Thankfully, WhatsApp now provides official methods to transfer your chats, and I'll also share alternative solutions for those who don't want to reset their iPhones. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Stay with me until the end to discover every possible method for seamlessly transferring your WhatsApp messages so you can choose the one that best suits you. Before we explore how to do it without resetting your iPhone, let's first look at how to do it using the official Apple app. Move to iOS is the official Apple app designed to help users transfer data from Android to iPhone. It allows you to move contacts, messages, photos, and even WhatsApp chats during setup. This method only works if your iPhone is brand new or has been reset to factory settings. To start, install the Move to iOS app from the Google Play Store on your Android device. Next, reset your iPhone if it's already set up. To do this, go to Settings, then select General, and then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, tap Erase all content and settings. Confirm and wait for the reset to complete. When done, set up your iPhone until you reach the Apps and Data screen. Select Move Data from Android and tap Continue. Open the Move to iOS app on your Android device. Next, follow the on-screen instructions until you see Find Your Code. On your iPhone, a one-time code will appear. Enter this code on your Android phone. Once connected, select WhatsApp from the transfer list and tap Start. Wait for the transfer to complete. After setup, install WhatsApp on your iPhone from the App Store, verify your phone number, and tap Start to restore your chats. If you want to transfer your data without resetting your iPhone, you can use WhatsApp's companion mode to sync your chats instantly. Here's how to do it. On your iPhone, install WhatsApp from the App Store and open it. Tap Agree and Continue and do not enter your phone number. Instead, tap the three dots menu in the top right corner and select Link as companion device. Then on your Android phone, open WhatsApp and go to Settings, then tap Link Devices. Tap Link a device and scan the QR code displayed on your iPhone. Once scanned, your WhatsApp chats will sync instantly to your iPhone, and you can start using it right away. This method does not make your iPhone the primary device. Your Android phone will still be needed for backup purposes. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now, let's continue with another method. If Move to iOS doesn't work or you prefer selective transfers, you can use a third-party app like iPhone Transfer or Copy My Data. Install iPhone Transfer on your Android phone. Connect both devices using a USB-C to Lightning cable. Open the app and select Android to iPhone Transfer. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a local backup of your WhatsApp chats. Select the data you want to transfer and start the transfer. Once complete, install WhatsApp on your iPhone and verify your number to restore your chats. This method preserves existing data on your iPhone, unlike Move to iOS, which requires a full reset. Your WhatsApp messages should now appear on your iPhone. To explore more Android and iPhone video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.